Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another banger video guys. Today we are gonna react to some video creative cooking. The video them just crazy. I don't know how the man them come with this. You have man make bacon ice cream. Some creative video guys. So first things first, bacon ice cream.
So anyways, today I'm going to show the vibes them hopefully make bacon ice cream. As me I say, you don't know, big up all Isle Nation, as me I say. So you don't know what you going to do. You going to just boil your bacon, as me I say. Get your nice cup of ice cream, as me I say. Then you don't know. You know what I mean? It's like a system. So you don't know what your bacon don't boil / cook. You go so and cut up your bacon and then in the ice cream and mix it together, is me I say. After you mix it together, you go put it in the fridge, make it freeze, is me I say. Then you go see beauty of it, is me I say. You man like a beautiful rising sun in the morning. Yeah, I got to enjoy, is me I say. Vibes. So you don't know, no man. Only a mad recipe, me have a forward. See me I say, don't know where some of you turn up. You see me? Yeah man, straight.
What is bro? Bro, what is? Bro, actually serious. Peter man a grand if you eat it, I swear. Make us see it eat the bacon, bro.
Alright, so today I'm going to show the vibes and how to make this futuristic breakfast, as me I say. So anyway, so we are good. You get your what's your egg and about 3 frankfurter. Is me frankfurter them in some water. Is me I said you not go dash the water we are boiling frankfurter them in. You go use that same water, pour your oats them in that same water. It is me I say. Then you go add your milk, but my milk is egg yolk. Is me I say you add the egg yolk to make them mix and make the flavor them capitalize together. Is me I say. So it give you a astonishing flavor way. Is me I say. Embark your taste buds them we continue the journey of eating this very delicious porridge, what's porridge mixed with frankfurter and thing. Is me I say. Yeah man, me I cook. Is me. I don't know.
Nah, I feel like him just like this juice, bro. You not eat that. You not eat that. Grand. If him eat that, you not eat that. You know you not eat that. You know you not eat that. Bro, you not eat that. You not eat that. Why am I cut them so big, bro? Why you cut that so big, bro? I don't think we can watch up more of this. We know you don't want to eat it, bro. We know you don't want to eat it, bro.
Let's make cheese crunches and egg sandwich. To a bowl we're going to add 2 eggs, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper, and half tablespoon of crushed pepper. Teaspoon and tablespoon are 2 different things. Cheese crunches. We're going to apply this to the egg and break it down.
No, you could have made egg. eat that with the bread.
So anyways, today I'm gonna show you the vibes I'm gonna make cool the ramen noodle with tangerine in it. I put tangerine in there. So you're gonna do, you just get your ramen noodle, you get your cool yet. You get about a tangerine. Is what I say, you know the shrimps go already, I just fling in the water in a pot, fling in your noodle with the seasoning and boil up, is what I say. Then you go pull the cool yet and add the cool yet in it. You pull at the cool yet in it is so mix well, is what I say, and enjoy. Is what I say. This is a new elevation flavor. We elevate your taste buds. That's what I say. Straight.
Can't watch it, so. As bad as with the tangerine, bro. Because you already add the Kool-Aid. And you cook the tangerine, so that the taste way different. You know, guys, that's it for the video. Sorry, yeah. Traumatized and I like this, but know it already. Peace, take care, and please don't regret no other video.